How to add a contact page on WordPress using Elementor template is the topic of this video. As you can see, I already have 24 JSON contact page Elementor templates for link in bio landing page, contact page, profile page, or about page that you can use in your WordPress website. Okay, first of all, make sure you already using your WordPress website, and then you can log into your WordPress website and make sure you already have this Elementor plugin page builder or Elementor page builder. Go to templates folder here, save templates menu, and then we are going to import templates from my computer. Of course, I already download these 24 templates. For example, I'm going to install, or I'm going to I'm going to import the link in bio page number 3 or the JSON files number 3. Open it and then import now. Okay, you can see here I already upload or import the templates in the templates folder, and then just go to page menu and then add a new page, of course, and then I'm going to put a title here, contact page Elementor template. Of course, the title will be up to you if you already create your own page, because it is totally up to you. And then click edit Elementor button. Just wait for a little while. Then make sure you already you click this page setting up here, and then go to page layout, and then make sure you click the Elementor canvas menu. Go to template folder, and then in my templates here, you already see that link in bio page 3 or templates number 3 is already exists here. Just click insert. There you go. So this is how you can easily create a new contact page on your WordPress website just using this Elementor template. Okay, so you can edit. It is very easy. If you want to change the title here, your name maybe. In this case, I'm going to put this name Jessica and Alba, because she just looks like it's Jessica Alba and smiling. And then you can put this about or contact about me. Maybe you can change this here, about me. So it is very easy if you are used to create or make a website using WordPress and Elementor. So it is very easy to change everything on this page. But if you are a newbie or a first user, it is still very easy to create website or page just using WordPress and Elementor. Okay, and then we already have this social media button. You also can change everything in this button, and it is very easy. Just put the link of your every social media on this form or on this part. And if you want to create another social media button, just click duplicate just like this, and then you can put another icon. Let's say you want to put TikTok here, or let's say probably YouTube maybe. Oh, we already have YouTube, or Threads maybe, or Telegram. So you just put, or maybe another social media, Pinterest maybe. Okay, you just insert Pinterest, so it will be changing into Pinterest. So you can add as many social media button as you want, and then also you can put this you can put your WhatsApp link here in this button, and then of course you can put your website URL. That's it. It is very easy to create a new contact page using WordPress and Elementor. Okay, that's all in this video. I'm going to show you a preview of another templates in the next video. Thank you.